Hi South by Southwest folks, my name's Stacy. I spent many years in a high school classroom and through many major events that happened in our country and in our world. And even as a science teacher, difficult issues would spill over into my classes. Now in my current role, I work with educators nationwide through professional learning that's centered on teaching and navigating those difficult issues that show up, whether they're planned or unplanned. Now more than ever, educators across grade levels and content areas are encountering these topics and issues, and in the moment, they need to figure out whether they lean into the moment and engage with the issue, or whether they might lean away and totally avoid it. And it gets harder and harder to make that call as the climate becomes more polarized. This workshop is meant to help educators in understanding all the components that are in that split-second decision and provide strategies to prepare for and responsibly lean in to those issues. We'll guide educators through all the considerations that play into leaning in versus leaning away, as well as a host of tools for setting up structures that support a classroom environment where these difficult issue conversations can happen and can happen safely. During the workshop, each educator will identify an especially prickly issue that shows up, whether it's something that's in their curriculum or just something within their context, and engage in a process that helps to unpack the issue and understand it from multiple perspectives. This workshop will be very collaborative and make space for professional discussion among colleagues. We hope that each educator that attends this workshop can leave feeling empowered to lean into those difficult issues that pop up for them, whether they're planned or unplanned. And why should we do it? Why should we be leaning in? The students need to develop these skills and have the opportunity to learn and engage with these difficult issues in a safe and structured environment. And really, if not us, then who?